Welcome to the Cajon Valley Parent Portal. In this video, you'll learn how to make a payment to your student's account. To access your Parent Portal account, go to parentportal.cajonvalley.net. Enter the PIN number and password provided by the school and click Login. If you don't know your PIN or password, click Reset Your Password. A new page will open. Type your email address and click Submit. An email will be sent to that email address with your PIN and password. After logging in, click on a student from the left to view more information for the selected student. From the options, click Accounts. The page will display the student's account information. On the upper right, click on Click here to make an online payment. From the top, click the arrow next to Student to select a student. Then click on an item to select an item. The cost will display for the item selected. Click Add to Cart. Follow the same steps to purchase more items or make an online payment for another student. You can also click Show All Available Items to view all items at once instead of selecting one item at a time. A total will display for all of the items you've selected. If there are any outstanding charges, the items will be listed in red. Click Proceed to Checkout. Continue by entering your payment information, and to finish, click Pay Now.